That building right there is the red market. That's where all the meat is at, fresh meat. So people don't always trust the meat from the grocery stores, but you can get it slaughtered right here in this red market. So let's get over there and check it all out.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, that's the red market, so you gotta just turn across. We're gonna wait for the green light though, and then we're gonna go inside and go check it all out. So we're kind of coming off this busy street right here, which is Avenida de Hotel y Costa, and the cross street right there that all these people are, all the trucks are coming from. Okay, we'll be in a second. I gotta do a health code scan before I go in. Okay, so now we're in the red market. So this one has vegetables up here, down here, and then meat up here. Let's see. So we'll just kind of take a look. We got fish, lots of fish here. Other places they got like chicken and stuff like that. Actually, I think last time I was here, they kind of told me there's chicken in a certain spot. So you can buy all kinds of fish and different meats. And people like to shop here because they know that their meat is going to be fresh. If you buy it in the store, sometimes it comes from China, maybe it was sitting somewhere for 4 or 5 days, you know, you just don't know. All kinds of fresh fish. I'm not sure where the chicken is, but it's probably upstairs. Maybe up that way. Oh, the fish is still moving, still alive. Surprised it doesn't jump right off. They want to make a sale, right? So let's see. Very, very fresh. Oh, sorry. I guess they don't want it, so let's bring the camera on out. And I don't know what all we can film or not film, so maybe I'll just take the camera out before I have a problem. I think last time I was here, I heard a lady say like chicken, something down here. Maybe we'll just turn it. We'll just end it right there. So that's it. That's the Zhuhai Noche. It's a mercado on the street, the red market they call it. So now we got a little taste of it. And the sun is starting to go down, so kind of cool buildings around here as well. Another marketplace with clothing right out front, and that's the red market right there. So I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of go around the peripheral part. That's usually why I don't film, because I don't know if I can film or not. Sometimes I didn't see anything that said that I couldn't film though. I didn't see anything that said no camera, but I just don't know. But we got lots of marketplaces outside in the public anyway, so there's a red market right there as well. It's inside the red market again. And there's all of our stuff out here as well. Okay, so that's the red market, so we'll just end it there. You could get inside anyways, you get to see a little bit. That meat looks kind of good. I guess you don't need to go in the red market because you got this kind of stuff already too. And you got chickens, this is all over the city like that, ducks and chickens. Big dried meat up there as well. It looks like this shop is closing already. So So anyways, that's the red market. And we'll just close it right here on
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,
Let's go check out the road. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.